Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. Your gums are disappearing, and your dentist's only answer is a painful surgery that cuts the roof of your mouth and stitches it shut. But in 2026, a single injection is being used to regrow gum tissue from the inside out, using your own body's stem cells. I'm going to show you exactly what this injection is, the clinical trial data, and whether you can get it. Welcome to Dental Miracle. Periodontal disease is not just a minor inconvenience. It is one of the most common chronic conditions, affecting over 1 billion people worldwide. It is the #1 cause of tooth loss in adults. Bacteria build up beneath your gum line, triggering chronic inflammation that eats away tissue. Once that tissue is gone, it does not come back on its own. Until now, the gold standard treatment was painful connective tissue grafting. Think of stem cells as blank slate cells. They haven't decided what they want to be yet, but can become bone or gum tissue. Your teeth are a rich source of dental pulp stem cells, or DPSCs. These have a remarkable ability to regenerate surrounding tissues. Step 1. Cell sourcing. Dental pulp stem cells are isolated from donor teeth, often wisdom teeth, and expanded in a laboratory. Step 2. Preparation. The patient receives a deep clean of the tooth and root surface to prepare a clean base for regeneration. Step 3. Injection. The dentist injects the DPSC solution directly into the pocket of damage between the tooth and the gum. Step 4. Signaling. The stem cells release growth factors, reprogramming the local environment from one of destruction to one of regeneration. In 2025, a landmark trial published in Signal Transduction and Targeted Therapy studied 132 patients with chronic periodontitis. Patients receiving the DPSC injection showed significant improvement in gum reattachment compared to the control group. The bone regeneration was even more impressive. Alveolar bone growth was measured at 0.30 millimeters, significantly higher than traditional methods. Safety is paramount. Across 132 patients, there were 0 serious adverse events. The safety profile was described as excellent by researchers. Unlike traditional surgery that requires cutting and sutures, DPSC therapy uses a single injection with minimal recovery time. As of 2026, it is not yet commercially available everywhere, but trials are expanding in China, Japan, and South Korea. This is documented science. The era of regrowing your mouth's tissues is here. Please like and subscribe for more deep dives. I want to know, would you try a stem cell injection? Let me know in the comments. This is Dental Miracle. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.